name is Ashley Shunk, and I am an educator. Here in Honduras, I teach chemistry, biology, U.S. history, and English to 10th and 11th grade students. Last year, I participated in the Global Learning in Agriculture event, and I am so excited to do so again this year. I wanted to share with you my experiences using the modules created by GLAGcreates. We've all been invited to engage our students using these modules about food security, agriculture, and hunger and poetry. I am so excited to bring this opportunity to my students because I think that it's going to inspire them to think differently and have transformative thinking about the world of agriculture, food security, and hunger, and also give them the tools and actionable power to make progress on some of the Sustainable Development Goals. Getting my students started with the modules was very easy for me. Currently, we are 100% virtual, so all I had to do was set up their platform to look like this. I created a quick Flipgrid video introducing them to the project and letting them know how the modules would work. After that, it was mostly in their hands because everything is there in the modules, the definitions for the different types of figurative language, examples, the videos, the graphic organizers. Everything was there for them and ready for them to use. My students did not have a lot of questions. A couple of them did need a little bit of validation about their topic that they chose. So I told them that they could write about anything as long as it related to food security or hunger. They could talk about transportation of a carrot from the farm to the dinner table. They could talk about their grandmother's soup and how it smells so delicious. They could talk about the pain that a stomach feels while it's waiting in line at a food bank. Or they could talk about the food of the indigenous cultures here. They could talk about anything as long as it related to hunger and food security. And this really helped my students to get involved and want to participate and want to engage in this topic. And so it was a great experience to watch them grow in their thinking about food security and agriculture and make those connections to the Sustainable Development Goals and to their own lives. And I think that any teacher in any content area can use these modules. In a history class, you could talk about policy of food. In a biology class, you could talk about macromolecules. It really will work for everyone. After we answered a few questions, all we did was a little bit of a peer review, and we were ready to go. Also for you as an educator, you will be able to become a part of the Global Learning in Agriculture family. And this family is very special because we are all passionate, we care, and we're doing great things to help our students make connections to content. I'm really excited to see what we're going to create next.